Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, power lift gate, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, keyless entry, remote engine start, tow hitch, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.